Hi, this is Martin Alvarado, and thanks for spending a quick second here on Mortgage Minute. And today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about mortgage strategy. And what I mean by strategy is obviously planning. A lot of times before people get surgery or before they have a major event like a wedding, they plan, right? There's a wedding planner, party planner, whatever you might want to have. So it's important to plan when you're looking to buy a home or even looking to refinance your home. And some of the things that I like, and I don't endorse these websites, or I don't think that these are the best websites, but some of the websites that I personally like, I like some of the calculators on NerdWallet or Zillow or mortgagecalculators.com and Bankrate. And the reason I like some of those calculators is because it can tell me my monthly affordability. Let's say if I'm looking to qualify for a house, I can plug in my debt and plug in my annual income, and it gives me an idea of my monthly affordability. Something that you have to be cautious of though with some of these calculators, that's Zillow, Redfin, Trulia, etc., is sometimes they don't give you the proper payments for a new mortgage. And so sometimes you do want to talk to a mortgage expert like myself or any mortgage expert that you may have in order to give you the 100% correct information and the way that we calculate your income in order to qualify you. The other thing about strategy is something different that I want to mention is that strategy is once you have a mortgage, some people like to strategize on how they want to accelerate the amortization of their mortgage, and that means like apply more towards the principal. Some people like to pay twice a month because they end up sending 13 whole payments to their mortgage instead of just 12. Some people like to send more money at the time that they do their income taxes, because additional money that goes to the principal will save you thousands and thousands, sometimes even $100,000 worth of interest on your mortgage if you're disciplined enough and are consistently sending money towards the principal of your mortgage. So there's many ways to strategize, like I mentioned, just for that party, for retirement, for whatever your life event may be. You can strategize for anything, and we can help you strategize here for a mortgage. So don't forget to like and share this channel, and don't forget to give us a call, and we'll be here to help you. Thank you, and have a great day.